If anybody's watching this, please let us know if you can hear us, because we have problems. We have technical issues with the sound. Sometimes we don't know what we're doing. We don't know if it's on. So we're just gonna wait until a couple people join us, because it's Wednesday.
Hump day.
Yeah, we're back with a video. Finally. I know y'all missed us.
We got a special one.
Yeah, and I'm sorry it's not like on a weekend, because somebody
works too much.
Doesn't get a weekend. There she is. Hey.
Hi.
You can hear us, right? You can hear us. Please say you can hear us, because we don't know what we're doing. Yeah, so yeah, he works too much. We haven't been able to do a video lately. So here we are on a Wednesday, and by the way, I am drinking Red's pineapple ale. It's nice, good taste.
Yeah.
I like the apple, and I like the blueberry. Actually, is my favorite. Blueberry is good. They are not endorsing us or sponsoring us. We were not endorsing them, nor are they sponsoring us.
We won't reject any sponsorships.
But, we like this, so I'm sorry. We're not in our usual spot. We are actually in a different location today, and the table is a little shaky. So sorry if it looks like we're having an earthquake or something. We are not in California.
Yes.
We are in Indiana, our home. Sweet home.
Let me turn it a little.
Yeah, so like we're not there, so you don't see our usual background or anything for us today.
Yes.
But what we do have is let me get my feet off this table, because I know it's shaking so much. My feet
hitting my head keeps hitting this lamp.
Hitting the lamp.
Is that? Oh, it looks like the light's on.
It does, but that wasn't the light. That was the sun. Okay, so today
we're gonna taste a new country.
Yeah, we're gonna taste a new country. We have snacks from Thailand, courtesy of my Aunt Anita, who is
Thank you, Miss Anita.
in Thailand. She doesn't have Facebook. And they don't do Messenger, they do Line out there. Line is just like Facebook Messenger, except it's called Line, and it's very popular in the Southeast Asian countries. So,
hi Diana, love you.
They, yeah, she was kind enough to send it to us, because she's out there, she's living out there right now. So, she actually took a picture of these weird chips, and she actually surprised me. It was where I came home yesterday. I was like, oh my god, I was expecting a package from Amazon. I got 2 packages. So, yeah, she sent us some things. And then I happened to be out in a place in North Judson, Indiana called Bailey's. And they had some strange flavored chips, too, on the cheap. So, we picked those up. And we are going to try them just for you guys. Because we like to try crazy things. And we haven't done it in a while. So, first I wanted to start off. Not only did she send chips, but she also sent a couple things as well. We had some dried fruit that is not like regular fruit around here. And she sent me a Hello Kitty keychain from Thailand. So there you go. That's that. It's cute, isn't it? And then she sent me some pens and a pencil. This is a pencil. See the little cap. I love the... this is totally how they do it in foreign countries right here. This is Miffy, by the way, if you don't know the character Miffy. She's popular like overseas. She's not really popular here in the U.S. But I know Miffy. You might have seen a book or two of Miffy, but she's not popular like Hello Kitty. But close enough. And this is the other pen I got. So not only did I get like food, but I also got a couple other goodies. So again, thank you, Aunt Anita. I will transfer this to YouTube so maybe you can watch it.
Yes.
We will send it to you and you can watch it. So anyway.
Thank you, Miss Anita.
Do you want to start with the chips or you want to start with the fruit?
Let's do the chips, because I'm ready to get that squid one over and done with. I'm scared.
So
I'm scared.
This is one of the ones, and mind you, some of them came open already. I don't know, custom, whatever. Anyway, this right here is a Lay's brand chips, and the flavor is hot
spicy
chili squid. Hot chili squid. Totally Asian Lay's. And this is, again, from Thailand. This was sent to us from Thailand. And of course, in the back, it's all foreign language. Right here, we can't read it, but the front head does have the English in it. And so we're gonna open this, and I like the look at this picture. Oh, that's the squid in a spicy. I don't like spicy stuff either, so this is gonna be interesting.
I don't mind spicy. I don't like squid.
He doesn't like squid. I don't like spicy, so this is something new for us. So I'm gonna open this.
I don't even want to smell it.
Smell the bag. It smells like fish. This actually stinks, yo. This actually stinks like fish. Oh, here, smell it. Smell the bag.
Well, it's not too bad.
But shake it up a little. Yeah, this does not smell the greatest, honestly. But hopefully it does taste.
I'm scared,
okay,
guys.
no, it's not that bad. When you smell it a couple more times. But yeah, this doesn't really smell like
God.
This is.
I could deal with jackfruit, and I can deal with. Oh gosh.
Okay, so we both got our chips. Smell that one chip.
No.
That's why I gave you the bigger one.
I
gave him a whole chip. I got a half one. Okay, so
Itadakimasu.
not Thailand language, but okay. It's not spicy. No. Not that much of a flavor to it.
No.
When you taste it,
it comes.
I could eat these.
When you inhale, when you take a breath of air, that's when the flavor comes in.
I taste the squid. I taste a hint of the. I like it.
It tastes like fishy potato chips with a little bit of spice.
Yeah, there's not much of spicy.
Like, that's like a quarter of a spice that Flamin' Hots has.
I would say it's like more like the spice a barbecue chip has.
Yeah. Not my jam.
Pleasantly surprised. They're good though. I taste a little bit of the fishy aftertaste of squid shade, but just so you know, I am drinking water.
That ain't my jam. Oh.
Okay, so I like them. I like them. They're good.
It wasn't horrible, but it wasn't great.
Okay. So next from Thailand, we do have 2 more bags of chips. One of the chips was accidentally open. But it still tasted. Well, no, I didn't taste this one. This is I'm gonna leave that one last. This next one was spicy lobster.
Yes, I want to try this one.
Spicy lobster, and here's the bag. See, there's a lobster on the top of a potato chip. And granted, these say they look like Pringles.
Yeah, they do.
They look like Pringles. These aren't Ridge. These are spicy lobster. And look at the PepsiCo label.
You know, I do know a little bit of Thai.
Do you?
Yes. Sawadika.
What does that mean?
That means how are you?
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Right,
yeah, I'll take it
one
from
out
there.
there.
Yeah. I'm excited about this. I'll take a couple.
Let me smell inside the bag. Hold on.
Smells like
Again,
cheese.
that smells
like cheese and a little bit of lobster. Like
okay, so we're gonna eat this one next. So here we go. I tasted this one in the bag. It's not bad.
I taste a little seafoody.
Oh, that's a weird taste.
Yeah. It's like sweet.
Now this one's a little bit more spicier than that one, but it's not like spicy. But this one has a little kick to it.
Have you ever had lobster bisque?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, it's a little similar.
I like it.
It's got that sweet, almost creamy factor to it.
Even creamy, I don't.
Yeah.
I get too much of that spicy. Like I said, this one has a kick on the tongue.
I think it's because of the cheese.
Wash that down.
Yeah.
So, this one, again, I don't taste the lobster per se, but it's a good chip. It's delicious. I like it.
Yeah, it's not bad.
No, it's not. Okay, and the last one we have from Thailand is, this one, I don't know. We have to look. Oh, it's sushi.
Oh.
Bitch. Oh.
Children are watching.
Okay, so I don't know, you might have to help us out with this one. Apparently there's some maki rolls on it, and then there's a side that's hot. So I'm assuming it says salus. I don't know what that says. But this is interesting because here it says shock on it. And this is kind of scaring me because there's a flaming chip on one side. And then there's like, it's
sushi.
Like sushi, like little rolls, maki rolls. It looks like vegetable though, like cucumber and radish and stuff. So I honestly, we didn't look at this one ahead of time to see what this was.
We weren't prepared.
Right. I didn't see when I saw this. I didn't even notice I was like, oh, we got a bag of chips. Oh, this, yeah, I have no idea what this one is. There is like no description at all.
We gonna find out today, girl.
Shock. Okay, I hope we're not gonna regret this. Is all I'm gonna say. Okay, this is by far the most interesting bag of chips. All right, so this is the one my Aunt Anita opened. She takes up. This was her doing. Okay, let's sniff that bag. What's it smell like?
Like fish.
Okay, now this one looks like a regular flaky potato chip that you get here in America.
Yeah, a regular Lay's.
Right, and
chip. Yeah.
Okay, this is let me get a bigger piece here. Okay, I'll go with that. This is a regular chip.
I'll take a big one.
Just interesting. Like, which one is like? Are these mixed in here? Is this like a Russian roulette type of thing? I don't.
You could see the nutty.
I'm scared. No. Okay, let's do it. Let's taste whatever you're talking about.
Fuck that.
What did yours taste like?
Wasabi.
Oh, I didn't get a wasabi one.
Oh my god.
Mine tastes just like, it didn't taste like anything, honestly.
Oh my fucking gosh. That is a kick of wasabi.
It is like a hot Russian roulette, bro.
Oh.
It says shock. That's what it says, shock on the bag. It says shock. You got one that had wasabi on it? Mine didn't taste hot.
Oh
Let
my
me see
god.
now. I want to try one. Let me see if I can find it. Okay.
Yeah.
But it's not that bad. It's kind of like that Kit Kat.
This is worse than the Kit Kat.
Okay. I see what they're saying. So this is like a Russian roulette bag. And you're going to get a nice one, you're going to get a hot one.
Oh my god.
Yeah, hey, Jessica. Is it really that bad? I don't think it's really that bad.
That was horrible. I don't like wasabi. That shit's...
I like horseradish.
Let me eat some more of this lobster.
Oh, wait, I found one that really was one. This was really it.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
It's bad.
Yeah, no, it's not bad, but it hits you.
Girl.
It hits you.
And I ate a big chip. That shit was...
Oh, my God. Okay, so with this bag, you don't know what you're going to get. You're eating this bag. You're either going to get a hot one or not. And, like, it's kind of like a Russian roulette type thing. Because from what I've seen in anime, I've seen where, like, they do, like, this game. Not like a game. They make takoyaki balls. Takoyakis are little octopus-shaped balls. And some are filled with octopus, but one is filled with wasabi.
Oh, really?
Yes. Of course, you don't know which one it is because they all look the same.
You just being a fatty. Like,
right, you're eating them, and the next thing you know, you end up with the wasabi one and your mouth is on fire. Right, reminds me of what happened, not what happened to me, but about a week or two ago, I was at Strax getting my $5 sushi. And it was Friday. And I was in line, and, people, they sometimes look like, they don't know what sushi is, blah, blah, they're looking. So this old man asked me, he's like, you eat that a lot? I'm like, yeah, I eat it a lot. It's good. And he's like, what's the stuff like on it? And I'm assuming he's talking about the ginger at first. And he tells me that his wife had got some of the sushi, and that she ate and I was saying he was talking about the ginger. And he said she ate it and it knocked her out. And I I was like, and me and the cashier were like, oh no, she probably ate the wasabi, you know, because if you take a big piece of the wasabi they give you with the sushi, any sushi restaurant, they give you the little dab of the green wasabi, and it's a little dab for a reason. I guess she ate the whole thing, and of course, yeah, you have all that wasabi in your mouth, it is gonna do a number on you. So, hey, Susanna. So, yeah, I mean, you're gonna, you know, it's a strong, and it's not like spicy hot, it's a different kind of hot. So, if you like horseradish, that's what wasabi is. It's a Japanese horseradish. And believe it or not, wasabi in like pure form, in the vegetable form, is very expensive. Yeah, we were at Mitsuwa a while back, and they had the wasabi, and that stuff was like, what, $60 a pound or something? It was expensive just for like the whole stuff, because it's a lot going into making the wasabi. But
most American wasabi isn't even real wasabi. No. Yeah, when you're eating it, it's powder, it's, you know, flavors, it's not the actual real wasabi root.
Yeah, if you go on YouTube, there's a guy who does only in Japan videos. We search that up, and he did a really great video on like going to a place where they grow the wasabi and all the stuff they do with it. And I'm being honest, my mouth is still on fire. Yeah, not fire.
That was the worst chip I ever ate in my life.
We're not done yet.
I'm excited about the other ones.
Okay, so yeah, that was the Thailand chips. Now, did you want to stick with the chips, or did you want to eat
chips,
the fruit?
Yeah,
okay.
No, let's do the chips.
Okay, so we're gonna diverge a little bit. So, like I said, those are from Thailand. But when I was out at this place, I picked up some chips. There were also one is like a Thailand type flavor, and one is an Indian flavor. And I was like, heck, we're gonna buy these. We're gonna try it, right? So this first one, let's stick with the Thailand before we switch gears, because that one was like already kind of open. It would be at the bottom. Okay. Boom.
So we got Thai curry flavored potato chips.
This is, what's the brand?
Journey to Thailand. Flavors of the world.
Flavors of the world. So this is a random potato chip I picked up somewhere. And so it was on cheap. I'm like, well, shoot, this is right up our alley. We could try it. So
I love curry, by the way.
Yeah, you ever had curry? You can make curry at home. It's real easy. Just go to Myers, go to your local shop, little Asian shop. Yes. They sell the packets of the curry. It's the same curry everywhere.
Try Dragon Bowl's curry.
The little brick, easy to make with chicken. All right, you put potatoes, carrots.
Yes.
Good stuff.
Cabbage.
Good stuff. Nice flavor.
Peppers.
So anyway. No, it smells like potatoes. Nice ridgy chip here.
Yeah.
Notice how I grab a big one of the American one. I didn't grab it.
Miracle.
Okay, so we're going to try this Thai curry potato chip.
Ready?
All right, here we go. Oh, yeah, that's curry.
Yeah. I could eat this whole bag.
It's okay, but it's not my favorite. But it tastes like, you can have the bag. Yeah, this is definitely a curry. I'm tasting all those spices.
I taste a little lime, too.
I do.
Yeah.
I do. I get that curry taste in the back, though.
That spicy.
Yeah. Definitely, tastes like curry. It's okay. It's not salty either.
It's salty to me. I get a little bit of salt.
I don't really taste the salt. Kettle had a Thai flavor, really. I don't know. This is a brand I never heard of before. So I don't. Yeah.
I was just telling Nene.
I like kettle chips.
There's a kettle chip that they sell at Jewel out here, a grocery store, and they have a Thai flavored curry chip as well. Get that ghost peppers. I don't mind ghost peppers, John. Hi, by the way.
No, we're not doing those challenges. We'll die.
I don't mind ghost peppers. I like spicy.
I can't handle that. You could do it. Mm-hmm. You could do it. I'll sit here and watch. I'll hold the milk for you. Can't do that.
We got to do a spicy noodle challenge.
Oh my god. The kids in my library were doing that, and oh my god, it was hilarious because one of them ran out the building. It was so funny. And when they came in my room, and I was like, "What the heck?" And they're like, I'm like, "What are you doing?" Like, okay, well, get out of here before you throw up. Is what I told them. Come in my room with that mess. I don't need a mess. What the heck? All right, so
show them the bag.
Next bag is the tandoori
barbecue.
India. This is the same brand as the other one, Flavors of the World. Tandoori barbecue. So it's and these are American distributed, so we don't. Yeah, they're not like foreign.
America, fuck yeah.
Weird flavor.
That smells like regular barbecue.
It's like barbecue.
Yeah.
Nice barbecue. Look at all that seasoning. At least they coat these chips nicely. You know, they don't skimp on the seasoning. You know. All right, let's do this.
Cheers.
I don't know. I taste the flavor.
In a way, it tastes like regular barbecue, but it has more of almost like a grilled kind of charred flavor. You get that?
No. I don't know what I get.
No?
I definitely taste something different.
Yeah.
It's not a bad chip. That's actually pretty good. But I get a lot of that barbecue.
They use beet powder, radish concentrate, paprika.
I feel like I'm eating healthy.
Black currant concentrate, apple juice concentrate.
Apple juice.
Yeah. Nice. Buttermilk powder. Huh.
Okay. Moving on. Moving on. Get that out the way.
One more.
Okay, so we got an interesting flavor here, and Anita, you might like this flavor. This is like a totally, you know, you're from Quebec, a Canadian thing. Maple bacon.
A Canada.
Clancy's. Now you will find Clancy's in your major ghetto gas station. You will find Clancy's. Those places. So y'all know you find them in your local vending machine around here. Yeah. For those of you who live around here with us. But yeah, Clancy's maple bacon. So I was like, maple bacon? Well, I'll be darned. Let's try that one, right? Maple bacon. I'm excited about this one. I'm excited. You better smell the bacon in this. I don't smell anything.
I smell like off bacon, like the fake bacon, like the bacon bits type of shit.
My excitement just went blue.
I don't care for bacon bits.
Give me real bacon bits. Yeah, I prefer the.
Give me the real shit.
Cut up your own bacon, you know. Dude. But you know what? Somebody makes a bacon bit that's like actual like bacon.
Yeah, they do make them where it's real
imitation bacon.
Yeah, no. Don't do that is so un-American.
Don't do it.
We will fucking. We'll call immigration.
We'll deport you. We will send ICE to your house. Just say you're un-American. For real.
Ready?
Okay, let's do this.
That maple hits you.
It does. I'm getting that bacon afterwards. This is a unique chip.
Yeah.
It is very unique.
You gotta try the pancake and waffle ice cream I got in that fridge.
I taste that bacon. It tastes. This tastes exactly what it says it tastes like.
That maple.
I feel like I'm having breakfast.
Wow. It's part of a healthy diet. You gotta have breakfast.
And I'm pleasantly surprised. It does taste good. Yeah.
It's okay.
I feel like I'm eating a big piece of greasy bacon.
Yeah. with maple syrup. You know how you dip your bacon in maple?
I dip, you dip, we dip. Yeah, just like that.
Yeah.
Just like that.
It's pretty good.
Dipping. Okay, the last chip we have.
Oh, we got one more. Oh,
yes!
Yeah, I forgot.
Okay. So we just had pizza for dinner. But, again, like I said, this place had, like, all kinds of chips. And this place is pretty neat, actually, because they have a variety of stuff that they're just trying to get rid of. So, anyway, baked pizza chips. Now, the last time I had a pizza chip, and honestly, I'll be honest, I'm not fond of pizza chips because I like real pizza, okay? We had Lay's. Lay's had made a Giordano brand pizza.
They did. I remember that.
I remember exactly where we got it. We were at a gas station in the ghetto. No, we were in the ghetto. We were in the semi-ghetto. But anyway.
We were around the corner from her house.
Right. We were close to my house. Anyway, down the street from your house. So yeah, at this gas station we had seen, we're like, oh, we like Giordano's. Mm-hmm. Freaking, we're gonna buy these chips, and they tasted just like pizza. And it was like really crazy. So I was like, hey, let's get these. So these are oven baked pizza chips. So they're not like potato chips.
They're not fried, so it's healthier. And we just ate pizza.
Healthier.
So.
It's healthier than the pizza we ate. Tomato and basil flavor made with real pizza dough. Okay, the brand is Napoli's. Or Napoli's, whatever you want to call it. Whatever you want to. Alright, again, oven baked pizza chips.
I would share it.
I can't open back. My hands are greasy.
I would say let's do it like this.
I need an adult. Okay. So
oh, I can smell the oregano. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oregano and basil.
Okay, so come out of here. Okay, so this is like, it almost looks like a pita chip, honestly.
Yeah.
If you ever had a pita chip, this is what they look like.
Pizza shaped.
Yeah, it's pizza shaped.
We gotta eat it like a pizza.
Do we?
Yeah.
Like a little crust. Okay. Here we go with that. I like these. Like a cracker.
Basil and tomato.
So it's like a cracker.
Mm-hmm. That would be good with some dip. Mm-hmm. Like a bacon cream cheese dip.
Yep.
Now.
I like how the flavor is not overpowering.
It is
but
to me.
There.
It's
not
there.
To me.
Wow.
It's a light. I like it. I like it. Okay, that was all the chips we had. So we're done with the potato chip part.
We do got some snacks.
Not too much, but some. You know, usually we have like a bunch of candies and stuff. We get all chipped out this time. So, again, we're going back to Thailand. And we have 3 things that she sent us.
These look so cool.
Which I think we do that one last.
Once again, thank you, Miss Aunt Anita.
Okay, we'll do that one last.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so let's do this one.
Yeah.
This is a freeze-dried mangosteen. Apparently this is a fruit that grows in Southeastern Asian countries. We don't really get this one here. I was reading on the Wikipedia, the best source on the internet. You know that there is this is a very hard fruit to get here. All right, but it's abundant exports, blah blah blah, all that stuff. You might be lucky to find it in Chinatown, this says, but honestly, you're not gonna see the mangosteen anywhere. And it kind of reminds me, it looks like a dragon fruit almost, but not with all the
not a dragon fruit. What's the other one? What's the other one that looks like that?
I don't know. Oh, that's weird.
We sell it at Meijer. We don't sell that at Meijer, but we sell a fruit that looks like it. Hey, Sean.
I can't open this one. I can't open anything today. It's one of those. It's Wednesday. Like, it's hump day.
Just a whole bunch of
Happy hump day, everybody.
Oh, look at that.
They're freeze-dried.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the mangosteen. Almost reminds me of meringue.
It reminds me of...
But these are freeze-dried.
A butthole.
They look like mini pumpkins.
Mini pumpkins or a butthole.
Okay, I'm back. Alright. Well, thanks, Sean. We try. Cheers.
Vodka.
Alright, so we're going to try this freeze-dried mangosteen, a definite product of Thailand.
Yes.
I heard these are sweet and tangy, so. And they are sweet and tangy.
Holy crap.
Very tangy.
That's good.
This is tangy.
I want the real fruit. Mm-hmm. Wow.
Very tangy.
It's tangy, but I love that. Sour, sweet.
Yeah.
That's good.
It has that.
Holy shit.
I'm all like, I want to pucker up.
Oh. Wow.
Very tangy and tart.
That was good. I'm ready to try this. We just got to open one. We ain't got to open two.
Okay, so what we have here is a banana. But not just any banana. It is a chocolate dipped solar dried banana. It's dried by the sun. Again, another product of Thailand, and we are going to open one. We are going to share it because sharing is caring. And it's chocolate. Chocolate on it.
Let me get a knife.
Apparently, it's hard to pull apart. But, okay, in the meantime, while he's getting a knife. So, yeah, this is a natural product. It's not very big. And let's see, it is manufactured and distributed by Banana Society. So there you go, Banana Society, kudos to you for giving this. Alright, so, it was a whole banana, but he cut it. And in the middle is, I guess, banana. So, this is solar dried. I don't know how dried that is. I don't think it's freeze dried or anything like the mangosteen. But okay, let's do that. It's like a jelly candy. How do they look like a jelly?
Mm-hmm.
It's like dried fruit. It's good. Nice little snack. I think it's dark chocolate. I don't like dark chocolate. I like milk chocolate. This is good. You can taste the banana.
You can't taste the banana.
I taste the banana. Look at my finger. I like it. Well, again, it's not like dark chocolate. Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah. Interesting.
Real good. I like it. If it was milk chocolate, I'd probably like it a lot better. But
I'm still chirping on this. This is good.
That's the tangy for me. Okay, and the last thing we have, the very last thing we have, is something that I wasn't expecting to see.
Well, it's definitely unique. You know, we actually don't have durian here. We have jackfruit, but we got some dried oven-baked
close.
durian.
Jackfruit is close to durian. I don't know if you guys are familiar with durian, ever heard of it before, but if you have ever watched Bizarre Foods with Andrew Zimmer,
he hates it.
He hates durian. Okay, and the reason he hates durian is because it smells awful. Okay, the inside of this fruit is one of the worst smells known to man.
I mean, you could smell the outside and it still stinks.
Putrid, like sewer, like somebody took a shit and it's dried in the sun in your car all day type of, really nasty, smelly stuff. But the inside of the fruit is
delicious.
It's described as heavenly. If you
it's
get past
creamy.
And the funny thing is, not everybody is affected by the smell.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't smell it.
I get mango. I get, other different fruits.
Yeah, that smells. One time he bought the jackfruit, and we were looking for the smell in that, and he smelled a little bit of it. I smelled a whiff of it, but it wasn't that bad. And the inside, the fruit itself was delicious. It was nice and creamy.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was really good. Now you could find it jackfruit around. Like he got his from Myers. I know at the Filipino store they sell it. But yeah, durian. If you Southeast Asian thing again. Really smelly fruit, but again, it's supposed to be like a really good tropical fruit. Some of these tropical fruits are just like so amazing. We are so not lucky to get. You okay?
Oh my god!
What did you just do?
I smelled it.
What does it smell like?
Smell it.
Why did you just tell me?
Do it. You made me smell the squid.
That stinks a little bit, yes.
Yeah, it stinks.
It doesn't smell that bad, though. I mean, if I'm putting my nose into it like this, it ain't that bad. Right.
No, it stinks.
Yeah, it smells. Okay, here you go. Okay. This looks like a banana chip in a way. It's just dried, I guess.
Oh wow, that's unique.
You smell it? It doesn't smell. Smell it.
Uh,
It doesn't smell. Okay, so we're gonna try the smelliest fruit freeze-dried. Snacks made healthy.
Baked.
0 grams, no cholesterol.
Oven baked fruit.
Oven baked chips. Yeah.
It don't taste like nothing.
No, it doesn't.
I get a little sweetness.
Yeah.
Almost like a plantain. Yeah. It's more like a plantain.
I get hints of pistachio.
Yeah.
You
dude,
get it too?
Yeah.
I get a hint of pistachio in this. Not like a strong pistachio, but a hint of like the aftertaste of a pistachio.
Like the
but
nuttiness.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes, that's exactly what it's like.
Yeah.
These are good, actually.
I like it. Yeah.
These are real good. Durian, they smell like trash. And again, if you search Chinatown, you might find it because, they get their imports totally differently than like everybody else does. So it's not like something you're gonna go for. But yeah, if you guys see durian, try it.
That's good because I love
cover your
pistachio.
nose, okay? Just cover your nose and go for it. You're not gonna regret it.
Right?
It's good inside.
Durian is actually pretty damn good. It's tasty.
It just smells like shit.
Yeah. But once you eat it,
yeah,
the flavor is totally
this
different.
is good. This is delicious.
I like that pistachio.
It's light and crisp.
Yeah. I'm a big fan of pistachios, and I get that out of here.
Yeah, it's cool. We thought like the same thing. It was like a pistachio flavor. Okay, so that is it for the video that you guys been waiting forever for. It took us so long to make because somebody, not me, somebody. Hopefully we'll come back with something else soon. I don't know.
Find some different stuff.
We were lucky the past couple times. People sending us stuff. We do take donations.
Thank you, Monica. Thank you, Miss Aunt Anita.
Yep. Thank you guys for sending us things to eat and try.
Awesome.
We appreciate it. And hopefully we'll be able to get our hand on some more stuff soon. Alright, so
love you guys.
This is us signing off. Take care. Peace.